and thank you guys for watching. Classic by Ryder here. So I'm gonna be testing out my new GoPro Hero 6 Black. I'm not gonna ride my motorcycle. I'm gonna go take my son for a doctor's appointment back in October last year. He got into a little scuffle and he got his jaw broken, and he had his jaw wire shot. So by November, he was hoping that they take it out, and they didn't. So he cut the wires himself, so he can eat turkey. And it turns out it never healed because he cut it open. So about a month ago, they shot it again. They put wires and shot it again. And 2 weeks ago, they just put soft rubber band, I think. In one side, they shut it on one side, they left the other one open, and hopefully today they're gonna take him out. So I'm gonna be testing out the GoPro driving, so I can test out also the gauges. Then now you can add gauges on the video. So here goes nothing. So I'm leaving my house. These are not real Starbucks coffee cups. They're coffee cups, but they're reusable Starbucks coffee cups. I got them from Walmart. I think it's a pack of 5 with the reusable lids. And also back in before Christmas, we were looking for a Barissimo, this thing that Starbucks puts out, that you put the milk in it and make foam, like for cappuccinos. Well, out in Colombia they have their own version and bigger. So I got the little machine. You just put the milk in there and just press the button, and this thing starts spinning. It's like a magnet in there. It starts spinning and makes foam, and you can make like cappuccino. It's delicious. What I use, I don't use milk. I use half and half. And the coffee, I switched from regular sugar to raw sugar, and it's really, really good. So I took the battery out of the bike. Have it right there. I bought a solar charger from Harbor Freight. So this little panel, it comes with a motorcycle charger, and it actually works. So starting the car, I had it running, but after 10 minutes it cuts off. Make sure it's nice and warm. It's like 19 degrees today. There's my baby. She's ready to be ridden, but winter does not want to go away. See, the groundhog said that we were going to have early spring. And all we had been having cold. I was doing a little bit of Uber and Lyft yesterday. I gotta get back in the groove of doing it. I haven't done it in a while. I did 2 trips yesterday. Alright, I'm gonna get my seatbelt on and take off and record a little bit while I'm driving to see how the speedometer works. So here's my speed. See what the GPS on the screen says. It's doing about 28 miles an hour, and the light just changed to red. Alright, so here's my speed. It says I'm doing 52 miles per hour. My watch face GPS speed says I'm doing 52. It looks like I'm doing 52. I tell you, this roads in Suffolk suck. There's so many potholes in the roads, and we haven't got as much snow as other states do. And Monday, I was going with my wife to the same, not to the hospital, but nearby, to Burlington coal factory. factory. She wanted to go buy some stuff over there, and we had to take the same road, which is 495 to exit 62, and the stretch leading to exit 62, there's so many potholes. There was like 5 cars with flat tires, flat cars. They all hit the same potholes, and I'm driving like I'm drunk, like waving in and out the traffic, trying to avoid the potholes. So I'm in Flanders already. There's a couple of places here that I would like, since now I don't live in the Hamptons. I can go in my motorcycle anywhere I want to go and drive around. Yesterday I was thinking I should take a ride to the back of the back roads. There's a farm that has bisons and buffaloes. I want to drive by there when I can with my motorcycle. Riverhead actually has some nice places to ride the motorcycle. There's Sound Avenue. It's like miles and miles of stretch. It's still traffic, but it's a good place to go. And we have a lot of back roads in Riverhead. When I first came from Puerto Rico, I came to live in Riverhead. I was, what, 21 years old? In 1990? I was 21 years old when I first came to Long Island, directly to Riverhead. Alright, so I'm almost at my son's house. See all the snow? Freaking snow everywhere. Turn that down. Freaking snow everywhere. Jesus Christ Almighty. I'm putting the GPS on the video. The speedometer. It has the speedometer on it. But this thing has the GPS on it. And you can put the speedometer on the video that shows the speed that you're actually driving. Cool. Alright, so I just dropped off my son back. We went to Stony Brook. Doctor told him it's gonna be 2 more weeks before they can take everything out, because they want to make sure he heals. So I seen a couple of cars with flat tires because of the potholes. Oh, I gotta slow down because I see cops sitting over there, and the speed limit over here is 40. Doing 45. So see you in a little bit. So I figure I record a little bit while I drive to my house. I got the GoPro settings set up for 2.4K, 24 frames per second. Pro Tune is turned on. I want to get some filters for the thing. I have to stop the video because people might think that I'm recording them, and I'm not. I'm just recording my drives. It's that car behind me, the Honda. Might think that I'm recording them, and I'm not. So I'll flip it around. Alright guys, so I'm back home. My wife is on their way. We're gonna go out and order some food for my 50th birthday bash on Saturday. Gonna have some catering and cake. So thank you guys for watching. This is gonna be my true test on my GoPro Hero 6 Black. Thank you guys for watching.